Good afternoon, Adolf.
Good afternoon, Miss Jessica.
How are you doing today?
Fine, thank you.
Can you introduce yourself for me?
Hi, my name is Adolf Iyer, and I'm 4 years old.
Okay, and you're going to present your homework for week 2? Okay, on our first page we have some words. Can you tell me which words they are?
Down, fine, for, funny, go, help.
Very good. Okay, on our next page you put 2 facts about Eskimos. So can you tell me what 2 facts you put?
Eskimos live in igloos,
And what are igloos?
ice block house.
Very good. And what's your second fact?
Eskimos' color is white.
Very nice. Can you turn the page for us and tell us what you've written for your weekly journal? And use a big loud voice. Can you read the sentence?
I liked the day when the whole family went to the temple.
That's very nice. So your whole family goes with you to the temple?
Yeah.
And your friends?
And all my friends.
Very nice. Can you say thank you, friends, and take a bow?